Hello, Z here. So I don't really ever go into space stuff on my channel. Don't ask me why, since there's a pretty big like sci-fi space theme to the channel because I like space. I like, the galaxy. I like the freedom and adventure that it represents. But I never really talk about space stuff ever. So this came to my attention. The video, let me go back here. The first video of NASA's Ingenuity Mars helicopter in flight. That is pretty fucking cool. So, there's a video here that we're gonna watch, and I have not seen it yet because I wanted to make it for the video, obviously. So, here we go. I guess that's the helicopter on the bottom there. There's no sound. Nope, no sound. Look at that thing. Oh. Look like a little drone. Oh, so small. Grung, grung, grung. I can just imagine the fucking sound it's making. Oh, and it goes down. Is this just like really far away? How big is this thing actually? Is that it? Alright, that's it. Well, there's the first flight. Let's read this article here. Video captured by NASA's Perseverance rover. Agency Ingenuity. Blah, blah, blah. The rover was parked at Van Zyl Overlook, about 211 feet away from Mars' Jezero crater. Chronicled the flight operation with its camera. These images from the rover's mast cam Z. Oh, it's a 4 pound rotorcraft. Okay. So it is just tiny. What is it used for? Check this out. Let me put on some music here. Hold on. Don't want to do that. I'm gonna put on some fucking Nine Inch Nails. That's not proper music for this. Uh, hmm. Oh, yes. All right. First flight is a success. All right, watched it. Quick facts. All right. Technology demonstration. Helicopter rode to Mars attached to the belly of a Perseverance rover. Taking flight on another world. Dude. Oh my god. I'm 23. I'm not gonna be alive by the time that we're living on other goddamn colonies and space and shit. God damn, that would be fucking sweet though. Hmm. Mars helicopter Ingenuity is technology demonstration to test powered flight on another world for the first time. It hitched a ride to Mars in the Perseverance rover, we knew that. Once the rover reached a suitable helipad location, it released Ingenuity to the surface so it could perform a series of test flight over a 30 Martian day experimental window. The first flight was successfully performed on April 19, 2021. For the first flight, the helicopter took off, climbed to about 10 feet above the ground. 3 meters if you're European. Hovered in the air briefly, completed a turn, and then landed. It was a major milestone, the very first powered flight in the extremely thin atmosphere of Mars. And in fact, the very first flight in any... That sounds so cool! God, I know it's just like... like, you could put the first pencil in the fucking Mars atmosphere or some, random shit. But damn, dude, that sounds so fucking cool. Oh my god. Oh, I should have went to NASA. I'm not smart enough. I'm too lazy. I just want to fly in a big old spaceship. I love Star Trek. That was relevant. After that, the team planned additional experimental flight of incrementally farther distance and greater altitude. The helicopter completes its technological. Oh, there's another one.
Wanted to take a minute and celebrate the first powered controlled flight on another planet. Yay!
Yay! Everybody clap. I can't maximize the video. Okay.
Virtual high fives all around.
Virtual high fives all around.
Now, I wanted to note that we are
Okay.
going to take some questions.
Skip here.
Manage those 1,800 grams, and I once saw him arguing with Eric Archer, who again we have lost sadly. Over, Bob, do you remember? Was it over 2 grams or 3 grams? Eric wanted this telecom hardware that was.
See, this is why I couldn't be a NASA dude. It's no wait, no play the fucking song. That's why I couldn't be in space. That'd be like, fucking 2 grams, 3 grams. Who gives a shit? Does it fly? Give me my plasma repeater. You know what I'm saying? I ain't interested in how heavy the fucking thing is. You know, I'm too stupid for that stuff. Activities for kids. Ooh, make a paper helicopter. Go to Mars. What the fuck? A Mars helicopter fucking video game, dude. Damn. Look at that. Brum, brum, brum. Add a takeoff location. I'm listening to Geotic, by the way. The Abysma album. If you're curious about the music. Look at that thing. What else we got going on here? What's going on NASA? Let's just check out NASA in general. Take it to the front page, baby. We already saw that. Time on Mars. 2 months. Man, I wish I could spend 2 months on Mars. God damn it. Why am I so jealous? So fucking jealous. Ooh. See, this is... Ooh, God! God damn, I want to fucking leave Earth. It gets me pumped, dude. Europa. Europa, if I remember correctly, there's a moon surrounding Europa that is habitable, if not more habitable, for humans than Earth itself, if I remember that correctly. Maybe it is Europa. Maybe Europa is the moon itself. I don't think so. Let's see. See if it tells us. I'm pretty sure Europa isn't the thing itself. Alright. Let's actually look it up. Get all the facts straight and shit. Most habitable. Why can't I type? Europa is the moon. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's the moon of Jupiter. That's right. Shows how much I fucking know. I'm just horrible with names, honestly. I can't remember names with a fuck, dude. Don't hate on me. Side note. If you ever buy a new keyboard, and you're used to full size, get ready to fuck up typing. So I have like a 60% keyboard now. It's wireless. It's Cooler Master. And it's good, but fucking hell, I can't type worth a shit. My fucking words per minute was like fucking 130 something. Now it's like 70. Usually I'm fucking, because I'm fucking up like typing shit. Okay, that's relevant. Back to space. Ooh, Europa. The NEOWISE. What is this? The NEOWISE mission uses a space telescope to hunt for asteroids and comets, including those that could pose a threat to the Earth. Ooh. The NEOWISE mission uses a space... From December 2013 to 2017, NEOWISE will rapidly identify and characterize near-Earth objects, gathering data on their size and other key measurements. Like one of those fucking info VHS tapes. Launched in December 2009 as the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, or WISE, the space telescope was originally designed to survey the sky in infrared. This shit is so fucking cool, dude. Observations revealing. I can't talk as fast as I can read. If I try, I'll just stumble over words. I wonder how many people can actually do that. Let's see. The frozen hydrogen cooling the wide field infrared is depleted. The survey continues as NEOWISE for an additional 4 months using this too short of... Oh shit, that's some like gravity type shit, dude. The WISE spacecraft is... When I say gravity, I'm talking about the movie, by the way. Not like gravity itself. The WISE spacecraft is placed into hibernation after completing its search of the inner solar system. Sweet. When they say hibernation, is just like chilling out there inactive, or... Ooh! Wait, if it's planned for the next 4 years, and this happened in 2013, where's the fourth update? Because it's been 4 years. Ooh, the Ranger 8. Following on the success of Ranger 7 mission, which was the first United States spacecraft to photograph the moon up close, Ranger 8 took more than 7,000 high-resolution images of the moon before impacting the lunar surface on February 20th, 1965. Damn, dude. But the Earth is flat. Oh, fucking dumbass people. Earth is flat, though. Bleh. I hope those people get flattened. Designed to gain a better understanding of our cosmic genre. Completing sample spacecraft released and sample returning. Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. I was talking about fucking flat Earth on the right goddamn page here, huh? Beautiful. What links we got here at the bottom? You know, NASA's got a good ass site. This is the California. Oh wait, what? Is this NASA site or Calitude of Technology? What's going on? JPL store? What they got on the store? Ooh! Merchandise! That's a pretty cool fucking pin, dude. That's like some shit you'd put on like a backpack strap. Nice. What else they got going on here, dude? It's like an advertisement now? They ain't sponsoring me, I'll tell you that much. Oh, a face mask. Mars 2020 Perseverance. Oh, they got the bears. Oh, I didn't mean to click on that. There you go. What else they got? Helicopter. Dude, they are on fucking point with the merchandising, dude. What day is it? I think it's the 21st, right? Or no, it's the 20th. Yeah, it's the 20th. Dude, they're fucking on point with this merchandising. That shit happened yesterday. They already got all this going on. I mean, I guess it could be, like, planned. It's like, ooh, we're gonna do this. We'll make merchandise. Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Look at that. Okay. Ask me what the fuck that is. Dude, they got fucking merch. That's pretty sick, dude. That's something I would fucking buy and then, like, sew it into, like, the side of my fucking sleeve. That's pretty sick. I'm not even gonna lie, dude. That's dope. I love patches and fucking pins, stuff like that. Alright. There you go. Well, I guess we ain't got too much else to talk about here. Just wanted to do something interesting here. I was looking for something to talk about on here. Ain't shit in the video game world, really. Unless you're into, like, what's that one game called? Fucking, god damn it, what's that one game called? The Breath of the Wild anime looking game? Genshin Impact. Yeah, unless you're into Genshin Impact because the 1.5 came out, but I'm not, so. Alright, that's about it. Talk to you later. Peace.